So areas of life for setting goals, we have to consider first, we have to give priority, whether health is my priority number one, whether career is my priority number one, whether financial goals are priority one. So write down your main areas in your life where you want to set goals and give the priority. So this is the first step. Okay. So now steps for finalizing areas of life for setting the goals. So segment your life into different aspects. Choose areas as per your choice. So following list I am telling you, when you set your area as a career, suppose you are a student or you are doing job, you can set your first priority area is career at present, because this priority will go on changing time to time and it has to change. If it will not change, it means that you are not manifesting your goals. Okay. So right now, as on today, if you want to focus your career as top one goal setting area, then give this one. Now, in career also, there has to be separate different sub areas. See, you have to think very minute for setting goals. Generally, we say that our goal should be very high. Okay, goal should be very high, but thinking should be at minute level. Means small aspects of your life you can just plan. So, if you are saying career is my area, plan for higher studies, plan for job, plan for role, what industry I would like to work, whether software or basic core, what should be my role, whether I should be marketing manager or I should be maintenance or I should be design engineer. Plan your role now only. And then the nature of job. Okay, so everything it you have to think today. Not only you have to see career, I will earn this and job in multinational company, job in foreign countries. No, think your minor areas also, and on each sub areas you will set different goals. Suppose you are thinking role, then start first job should be starting as a manager. Don't think practical that how I will jump to the manager. You can be manager of your own firm startup. So practical things you will not bring in goal setting process. Okay. So role within first year I should means I will be manager. Manager by in 2022. Then CEO by 2025. Like this for every sub area, you have to set 2 3 goals. If it is the skill, then think on communication, critical thinking, problem solving. That I told you how to think and how you can improve that. So set the goals for your skill improvement. Set the goal for your relationships, friends, family, business associates. Then finance. Finance also have sub areas. Investment. Where should be my investment? What will be there? Salary, additional resource. Generally, we do this for finance, but we don't do for health or spirituality. Then health, mental, physical, diet, fitness, weight management, stopping smoking, drinks, etc. Spirituality, relaxation, meditation, connection with nature, religion, and development. Learning, my self development means learning, then studies, qualification, and hobbies. So, dear participants, set the goals today, goal areas, not the goals. Goal statement you had done yesterday, but now you think your goal areas. Now, hints for finalizing areas of life for setting goals. Think small at micro level. You have to think at micro level, minor aspects. You think your goal area can be travel, because I am very much interested in travel and I do just plan my travel. Okay, that is my favorite area for goal setting. I just said what I want to visit, and this year I want to visit USA. This year I want to do that. So 5 countries I have visited up till now, and almost whole India. Okay, so because you just focus on your hobbies, hobbies can be your area. So travel you put it, because travel is very important. So think small at micro level. Think on interconnection. This is very important hit. You note down the points. Think on interconnection. Like suppose interconnections means what? Suppose your goal is in the money area. I want to be a very rich person. I should have my investment in the crore, but you must understand interlinking. If you need money, means your inter network should be strong. Your network connection, if you want money to grow money, you should start networking more and more peoples, you should start connecting. You just see any say these rich persons in the world, rich persons in India, rich persons in Pune. You just see and just tell me whether any rich person is there whose network is very less. No. So that is interconnection. Try to think what is happening in the nature. Try to identify these interconnections. And then if you will think that, oh, if I want to be a rich person, I should start increasing my network. So then your goal should be for networking, how I will increase my network. That should also come. Suppose now today's area, if you will connect to the nature, then definitely your life will start growing because the era is different, energy field is different. I already told you. And if you will not connect to the nature, you are not going to grow your life, mind you, because now see transactions are happening, we have entered into the golden area, and you see the nature what is happening now. We are not using plastic, we don't use means pesticide, we have just prefer organic food, like that means old days gurukul system of education is starting now. This value education AICT is focusing. म्हणजे मराठीमध्ये 12 बलुतेदार सिस्टीम होती, कामधंदा शिकवत होते. आणि आपण आता काय म्हणतो स्टार्टअप स्टार्टअप 12 बलुतेदार मध्ये ते येतच होते सगळे कन्सेप्ट. म्हणजे आपण परत जुन्याकडे चाललोय. म्हणजेच आता आपल्याला झोपडीत आणि झाडात जंगलात राहायला हवंय, हा असा अर्थ आहे. सो आर यू हिअरिंग मी or just again connection is lost? What happened today? Are you hearing me? Hello? Means then second interconnection which I want to tell you important. There are number of interconnection. Nature. So more and more if you will now go to the nature, more and more you will grow. Just have a walk Saturday, Sunday, just spend your time in the nature and see, just you are raising your energy by going in the nature. Okay. So that we think on interconnection. Then decide priorities. Okay, decide priority. I take another workshop on this interconnections and this that is ancient science. Okay, so that also I am telling you. Then decide priorities. So after thinking your micro level interconnections, then you can just decide your priorities and use visualization tools. This is very important, which I am going to focus in the last model. So if you will focus on visualization tools, means you are imprinting your goal in the brain. Okay. So that is important. Now exercise of setting your own goal areas. Okay. Now exercise you have to complete now in the session, during session and after session also. So what is essential thing? Start thinking now and complete some picture on your rough notebook. Okay. Today only at the end of session you will post me the picture. Okay. So what is essential things in your life? Start thinking, note down the pen. And while noting on the pen, you just write down words first, because I have told you the importance of writing. More and more you synthesizing, more and more thinking, you are telling me, you are writing, you are sharing, means more and more it is imprinted in the brain. Because in sleep, your brain will never throw this thought, today's thought. That is the intention, it is not the exercise. Don't consider that everything design of these sessions, little session point are designed from the design thinking with large objective. You just follow what I am telling you. So note down the words on your paper. What is the essential things in my life? I will say just my health, my diet, my exercise, like that. What are the essential requirements? I must wake up in the morning, like that. Any requirement, just financial or just study, proper study time. You write down whatever you think, whatever thought comes in your mind, you just write down. What are essential requirements in your life just now? What are the conditions in which you want to live? I want to live in my farmhouse. That is my condition. Okay. So, any condition, I want to live in nature, like that. With whom you want to live? Okay. So with whom you want to live, you just write down what you need to do. Okay, you are living at the place, you are living with the people. What you need to do? Oh, present job may not be satisfied, or you just want to do something different, study different college after completing this college like that. Then what you would like to be after 10 to 20 years? Not down. Okay, after 10 to 20 years. Now what are the different areas to set the goals? Today, this assignment should be ready. Suppose you are interested in the work area, you are interested in the work area. Today areas of goal should be ready. So if you are interested in the work, then you just draw any picture. You draw tree, you draw boat, you draw beautiful butterfly, you draw beautiful flower. Each petal of flower you can show on your area. Create some picture, because picture is having importance. Visualize goal areas with mind map. This technique is called as mind map, that is design thinking technique. Okay, generally speaking, a mind map is a visual illustration of hierarchical information which contains a central idea with several branches of related evidence. Means here main important theme is goal, and then you have to create picture with the areas. Here you don't write down goal statement, find balance, no goal statement. Okay, only areas: personal, then emotional, then work. So create any picture what comes in your mind first. Therefore it is considered as a mind map. Mind mapping is a hot trend in recent years, but I am using this technique since 20 years in my regular classes, and I got wonderful results from the students scoring and the marks. My result used to be always 100%, and quality results more than distinction. So this mind map is a very powerful tool which is gaining more importance in the recent days, because now people have started getting the power of brain and these techniques. So areas of life with mind map we have to do today. We have to complete in the session, and after that you will complete colorful picture from the computer. If you could spend times 15 minutes, half an hour for your goal, then only your life will go ahead. Otherwise, just doing the course will not going to help you. If you'll think I will just sit later on, and then Sunday I will do, Saturday I will do. No, tomorrow never comes. Today only do this and then sleep. Okay. So why? And better it is very good things that you will do before sleeping. So definitely brain will create this picture. Okay, in long term compartment. Okay. So family, you show pictorially. Okay, instead of writing, you just show picture, because they are self-illustrative. See, this food and health means I must eat fruits more. Suppose this sport and fun, I am just showing sun, then it is miss I should take sun rays, I should take sun walk, like that, sun bath, like that. Education, instead of writing education, I will show books, can be titles of the books, like that. Okay. Or you just take the photograph. What is my practice? I just keep a book in my library in one compartment, and then I take a photograph of that books with titles, and then I passed in my goal area. Okay. So that is the things you have to make picture of your goal. Then it put forward an action plan, because if you will make picture of your areas, not the goal I am telling, I am just talking now areas, because first you have to focus on which areas you want to focus. 4 5 areas you consider. So just I am giving you example of mind map so that today you will complete this. So here attitude, now, target, when, how. Okay. So then career, then now, target, win, how. So don't use this. Your mind map should be different. No copy of the figure, no copy of the word. It should be your own, and one, and appreciation certificate will be there for a good mind map. Okay. So just complete it today and post in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Everything should be open. So then health, wealth, relationship, family, friends. So create the mind map for your goal areas with different colors. Colors are very important because we are triggering brain. Because when you set the goals, it is a left brain exercise. But when you create the mind map, it is the right brain exercise. Okay. So